Hi friends, welcome back to the channel DS, and today I am going to do the unboxing of this box. You have already read what is inside it in the title and you have saw on the thumbnail. So without wasting any time, let's do unboxing of it. So let us do unboxing. Flipkart box are nice, almost. Okay, over here too. Okay, so now here is the box, and this is the bill, which I can't let you see. Now, okay. Sure. So here is the box. Very nice. Flipkart Reflex Wav. As I have told you that I am going to purchase a flagship, no, not flagship, means branded watch. So here it is. Let us open it. Okay, now. Made with Qualcomm technology. Anything over here, more specifications are given. Okay, over here seal is there, and over here also. So, not knife, scissor. Okay, I want to do with my hands only. And over here too. Now let's open it. Yes, it's open. So this is just the case in which it comes. Main thing is over here. And what is this? This is the warranty card. Then okay, so this is the charger. I do think so. Yes, it's the charger cable of the watch. I don't know what exactly name of this. I will search and I will let you know in the comment section if I know that what is the name as early as possible. So this is whole charger. Okay, it's very long, very long. It's too long charging wire cable. It's too long cable. Now main attraction, this fitness watch. So it comes with some seal, no need of it. Fastrack branding, and some like this means like this cards with MRP which is given. So I love to break it with my hands. Now this one also, really I love it to break it with my hands. Now this is the watch. I don't know exactly how to use it. First let it be here only. First work to remove the strap which was connected. It will work like this over here. Yes, it's magnetic type. Really, it's like magnet. It will connect automatically. Down also Fastrack branding is there. There is no heart rate sensor, and I also don't want heart rate sensor. This is IP67. IP67 water resistance. So how to start it? I just check the watch first, then I will come. So I have charged the watch now. It's like this: weather, burn calories, meetings, means whatever you wants to see. You can see your songs are there. Front back camera as I'm controlling now. So touch to start camera. Over here notification came. So this is the thing, and it's advanced setting. It's 79% charged. Weather stats. Why weather is not there? I am unable to understand that only. So over here all the things are there. It's pretty well watch with nice band and all the things. So after some time I will give you the review of it. So all the specifications of the watch and everything of this watch I will tell you after some times. And from tomorrow my pre-board 2 is going to start. So once again, if I will get time, then I will do vlogging and all, as I have also completed my whole syllabus. So I will. And this watch, fitness band, I will check, I will give you the review after some time. So just now quick review. So the band straps are good, it's IP67 water resistance, and all the specifications given over here, as you all are able to watch. So this is the thing, and this watch is good. It's shock, no, not shock resistance, something is given. Then okay, I am not getting it. I'll give you afterwards about the review. And yeah, any questions and queries of the watch, so comment below. I will give you the answer as much as possible, because comments are coming very low, so I will give it to you. So that's it for today. Hope you guys have enjoyed my video. I think that I haven't to talk much more about this watch. And this watch battery is not given, but it is made with Qualcomm technology, which is very good. And Qualcomm, and it charges very fast with this charger, which rating is 5 watts 4 amperes, somewhat that only. As you all can see, 5 volt 2 amperes, 9 watt 1.6 amperes. So this is the charger adapter which I used to charge, and it just some time, in just half an hour it charged till 79%. So this is also good battery life, and it gives battery life of 2 days. But after a regular use and rough use, I will tell you that how much its battery life is. So hope you guys have enjoyed this video. We'll meet in the next vlog. Till then, goodbye.